create high quality backlinks for your website in the easiest way. I will give you 3 easiest way create high quality backlinks for your website. Backlinks are simply getting links from another website for your website. So if you get some high quality backlinks from another website, then they have huge chance to get rank your website in Google to compete someone. So if you get easy backlinks every day from high quality website, then you can rank your beginner site easily. Let's jump into the 3 quick tips. So number 1 tip is Reddit. Reddit is a social networking website where you can post text, images and link your website for get high quality backlinks. If you get regular backlinks from Reddit, then they have huge chance to get rank your website in Google. And the most important thing is Reddit have millions of traffic that can generate to your website by your backlink. So I will say that if you choose Reddit for get regular backlink, then you can post something on your website, then you can copy this post on Reddit and you can discuss further on Reddit members. Quick tips number 2. Quora. Quora is a question and answer website where experienced person getting those questions and answering to share knowledge. So if you are thinking that you will use this Quora, then you can use this as a social networking site where you can follow some expert people to get valuable content for your knowledge. So if you question someone's answer and if you link back to your website, then you can also get high quality backlinks from Quora, and Quora is really effective for get huge traffic. Quick tips number 3, and that is Tumblr. Tumblr is a social networking and micro blogging website where you can post micro or little article to backlink your website and you can get high quality backlinks from Tumblr. The most important thing is when you just post something on Tumblr, then you can generate lots of traffic easily in faster way for your website. And the most and very important thing is if you post a unique article on Tumblr, then Tumblr link will rank on Google to boost your ranking for your website. So you can use these 3 quick tips to create backlinks for your website, and I think you can rank faster for your website. I have another video that how to rank website within 7 days. After watch this video, you can use these backlinks to the website to rank faster than your competitors. If you think these 3 quick tips can help you in your ranking, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates on your YouTube. And if you have anything to say me, then you can write anything to the video comment section. Write anything as you want.